What is up guys, Yasir here. Redmi K30 launch in China and all these specs and features are here. A 6.67-inch Full HD plus IPS LCD panel with pretty slim bezels except for a slightly bigger chin. The highlights for this panel will however have to be the fact that it's the first Redmi phones with a higher 120Hz refresh rate. The device boasts a 20 aspect to 9 aspect ratio, 91% screen to body ratio and 1080p to 4000 pixel resolution. Second highlight of the Redmi K30 should be visible to you right off the bat. It's the punch hole camera design, which Redmi boasts is merely 4.38mm in size. There are 20 megapixel primary sensor and a secondary depth sensor back into the punch hole on board. It will enable you to capture some amazing selfies, especially portraits photos. The Snapdragon 765G is paired with up to 8GB RAM, 256GB of onboard storage. As for the thermals, Redmi K30 include a liquid cooler copper pipe that will help drop the core temperature by up to 7 degrees Celsius. Redmi K30 runs Android 10 based on MIUI 11 out of the box, and you can check out the best MIUI 11 features right here. It includes all essential connectivity options including Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, dual frequency, GPS 3.5mm headphone jack, and a high-res audio support and a Type-C charging port. Redmi K30 is the first smartphone to come equipped with the 64 megapixel f1.79 Sony IMX 686 sensor. It is a primary sensor on board and will enable you to capture some super detailed pictures. This is coupled with an 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle sensor with a 120-degree field of view, 5 megapixel dedicated macro lens which allow you to get as close as 2 cm and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And the finally price Redmi K30 4G on the other hand has been priced started at 1599 yuan, around 16,125 Indian rupees for the 6GB and 64GB best variant. However, you will have to shell out 1699 yuan, 17,000